Welcome to another episode on our channel. We are continuing on with Pulp Fiction that came out in 1994. You've already seen from Redman Toys, Uma Thurman, who played Mia Wallace. You've also seen John Travolta, who played Vincent Vega. And now we are hoping to see Samuel Jackson, who played Jules Winnfield in the movie. I have to say I was not very pleased with the likeness of Uma Thurman, but John Travolta was spot on. I am hoping Samuel Jackson is spot on too. We'll find out in a second. So even though this is not a new figure, this is a new figure to me, so this is kind of what I consider an unboxing. Okay, so this is the t-shirt and the shorts when they had the unfortunate incident of shooting someone in their car because they didn't really intend to shoot that person. They were all bloodied up and they had to clean themselves off. And that was part of that process. These are the sandals that Samuel Jackson would have worn with the shorts and the shirt. Here's the briefcase that the young men had stolen from their boss that they were asked to get back, full of money. This appears to be a bracelet, a necklace, a ring, wow, okay, and some cash. Here's the gun. It's identical to the one John Travolta had. I think they were going for a bone-colored handle, but it kind of looks a little yellowish to me. So he has a bunch of hands. And now, let's see what we have. Nothing else in there, I don't think. Redman Toys keeps things fairly light. Oh. Okay. This is actually a pretty good sculpt. All right. His hands. Whoever sent me all three figures decided not to put hands on the figures, which is sometimes a pain because they're hard to get on, at least with these particular figures. Let me see. He does have plenty of hands to choose from. Usually I go with a trigger hand for the right hand, unless the person is left-handed. Oh my gosh, these things are hard. I am going to have to pause. They're not very, unlike some of the bodies I usually get, these are not too difficult to get out. But I know this is going to be difficult for both hands. So let me pause and get some hot water. Here he is with the gun in his hand, and it is on par with John Travolta. So I'm very, very happy. I was starting to get really panicked there when I first saw the Uma Thurman character. So this is really good. The face may not be as elongated as his face really is, but it's a pretty good likeness, I think, anyway. So we'll put him on a tray and see him from slightly different angles. We won't go all the way around. Just do some profile shots, and then we'll do some close-ups here and then of his face. So we're back, and we'll get a few profiles of Samuel Jackson here. From the side, it doesn't look that bad. I just think his face should be a touch thinner. Yeah, very good. Still not bad though. All right, so we'll pause and get some better close-ups. With the tighter shot, you can see the details in his face. Yeah, that is definitely Samuel Jackson. Again, I just think the face should be just slightly a bit more narrow, but other than that, I think it's a pretty good likeness. All right. So, yeah, I mean, the clothing is great. The shoes are wonderful. The outfit, the pants are the right length. So is the jacket. It doesn't ride too far up on the lower parts of the arm. Yeah, and they were both dressed in black when they were doing business for their boss. So yeah, this is a good likeness. Okay, let's get a tighter close-up. Yeah, so this is a nice close-up of Samuel Jackson. I mean, the eyes, or his eyes. The hair, I don't know. Something about the hair seems just a touch off, but overall, I'm very happy with this particular head sculpt. I was definitely very impressed with John Travolta's head sculpt, and very unimpressed with Uma Thurman's head sculpt. So overall, I really do like this figure. Here's one last look at our figure. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, have a great day.